Aloha everyone! I'm Gabby.
And I'm Georgie.
And we are the mummies of Sisterhood Furniture.
And content creators for Dixie Belle Paint.
In today's tutorial, we will be working on this cutie, which goes in my bedroom, but it needed a refresh first.
So we refreshed it with the help of a few Dixie Belle products. So stay with us if you want to see how we did it step by step.
Let's do it!
I started to sand it with an 80 grit to remove the paint of the corners where it was chipped or any imperfections sticking out.
I clean it well with a toothbrush and white lightening, which is Dixie Belle Furniture Cleaner. Then I rinse the piece twice, only with water to remove any leftover solution and dirt, and then I let it dry for a few hours prior to painting.
Meanwhile, we've created a custom color for this piece, so we combined 3 spoons of putty, 1 of pine cone, but then I realized that it should be way lighter, so I added 2 spoons of buttercream and mixed it well. I'm actually really happy with this color, so we go for it. I apply the paint with a chip brush on the whole piece by dabbing it to create a soft texture. After we applied the first coat, we could see better all the holes and imperfections, so we covered them with white mud and we let it dry together with the paint for about 2 hours. I applied the second coat using the same brush. In between coats, we seal the brush in a bag. This is actually a good trick so you don't have to wash your brushes or find them crusty while waiting for the paint to dry. After we finished painting, we left the piece to cure for about 24 hours prior to waxing. I applied white wax all over the piece using circular motions, and then I wiped the excess with a piece of cloth. It's a subtle change, but I think it's really pretty because it gives like a bit of a weathered look. Beachy, washed, something about there. After the wax will cure completely in about 7 days, I'm going to seal this piece with 3 layers of flat clear coat. On the drawers inside, I applied the fresh and clean wax to enhance the wood, and it also smells too good. And this is the final result! I can't wait to put this little one in my bedroom. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial and hope to see you in our next ones. Bye!